In this video, I'll show you best way to add your hashtags on your LinkedIn profile. So basically, LinkedIn doesn't allow actual hashtags on your profile, but there is a built-in feature that works almost the same way. So it's by adding skills. So you need to go to your profile and then from here click on Add Profile section. Then choose Core and from here click on Add Skills. And you need to add your skills. So let's say, I don't know, content management. Then you need to click on save and your skill has been added. Now, if someone is going to search for content management, he might find my profile just by typing content management. So basically it works same way as hashtags. So if I type content management in a search bar and I will click on see all results. And from here, you need to choose people. So as you can see, from here, I will see all content management people which are on LinkedIn. So this is best workaround method for adding hashtags. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.